we have a big bend in this rail right here. It's pretty common with these 3-piece rails that you can find in the big box stores. This customer is now having issues where the door is getting stuck at this point right here where it's bent. The best way to solve this problem right now is just to replace it with a 1-piece rail and a new opener. So the new opener is up with a new 1-piece rail. We no longer see any bending in the rail because the opener has been calibrated correctly and will put no unnecessary pressure on the door.